I need your 5 minutes. Just 5 minutes, and I promise you one thing. By the end of these 5 minutes, you will not look at your life the same way again. You will not look at yourself the same way again. Because sometimes it takes only one moment, one sentence, one realization to change the entire direction of your life. I want to ask you something and answer it honestly. When was the last time you truly checked on yourself? Not your phone, not your notifications, not what people expect from you. You, your heart, your dreams, your pain, your purpose. Most of us spend our whole lives running after approval, running after success, running from our past, running toward a future we are not even sure we want. And in this race, we forget the most important person, ourselves. Let me tell you something that took me years and one life-changing accident to finally understand your life will not change when the circumstances change. Your life will change the moment you change. Your mindset, your habits, your courage, your choices. People ask me, Muniba, what is the turning point of a person's life? And I always say, the turning point is the day you stop waiting. Waiting for support, waiting for motivation, waiting for the right time, waiting for someone to save you, waiting for the world to notice your worth. My dear, the world notices only what you show it. If you hide your strength, they will never see it. If you hide your story, they will never feel it. If you hide your light, they will never know it existed. There is a version of you that you have not met yet, a stronger you, a wiser you, a braver you. But you cannot meet her until you stop clinging to the version the world forced you to become. You want your life to change? Then listen to me carefully. Change begins the moment you stop acting small. The world taught you to shrink. Your fears taught you to doubt. People taught you to stay quiet. Society taught you to be perfect. But life teaches you something different. Life teaches you that growth is messy. Healing is slow, courage is uncomfortable, and transformation is painful, but it is worth it. I want your 5 minutes today so I can remind you of something you forgot. You are allowed to outgrow the person you were yesterday. You are allowed to choose yourself. You are allowed to rewrite your story. Some of you watching this are carrying wounds you never showed anyone. You laugh loud but cry quietly. You give love but receive pain. You keep everyone happy but sleep with a heavy heart. And the saddest thing is, you think you are alone. You are not alone. You are human, and humans break, but humans also rise. Do you know what I learned the day my life turned upside down? I learned that when everything is taken from you, the only thing that remains in your hands is choice. Choice to rise, or choice to remain fallen. Choice to fight, or choice to surrender. Choice to see yourself as broken, or choice to rebuild yourself beautifully. And rebuilding is what high-value people, emotionally strong people, courageous people do. They rebuild themselves not because life becomes easy, but because they refuse to give up. Let me remind you of something powerful. You don't need a perfect plan. You need a first step. You don't need confidence first. You need action first. You don't need the approval of the world. You need permission from yourself. You have 5 minutes for everyone else. Today, give 5 minutes to your own future. I want you to ask yourself right now, what is one thing in your life you know you need to change? A habit? A relationship? A mindset? A fear? Whatever it is, you already know the answer. You just need courage to act on it. So today, decide one thing, just one, a small decision, a small promise to yourself, because small decisions create big transformations. Promise yourself you will not shrink again. Promise yourself you will not apologize for your worth. Promise yourself that you will not wait for the world to validate your existence. Promise yourself that you will rise even if slowly, even if quietly, even if painfully, but you will rise. And when you do, When the world sees the fire you carry inside, they will call it magic. But you will know it wasn't magic. It was you choosing yourself for the first time. Your 5 minutes are over. Your new chapter isn't.